The Wonder of You by Victor Hugo. When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you gave me love and consolation. You gave me hope to carry on, and you try to show your love for me, and everything you do, that's the wonder